So in this programming language, in this program, we are going to pick the 10 different random numbers from our list, that is minus -100 to 100, and then we are going to store it in a list, and from those lists we are going to count the odd number, even number, and find the sum of the even numbers. So firstly we are going to find the 10 different random numbers from a list, and for that we are going to use the random list function. We use the random input random function, and then we use the random list function to get the, and for here we use the random function and then dot rand it, so that we can choose the different number from those lists, and we from -100 to 100, but we need the only 10 numbers from that list, so we use the 10 function. We use the range so that we only get the 10 numbers from those lists, and we use the print function and to print the given value to show the random value that you get from there. Also now we have to find the odd number from those lists, right? So firstly we'll define a list, we'll define odd number list, and then we initially put the value of count is equals to 0 for the number in a list, right? And we use the for number in a list, it means that it's gonna choose the number from those function, and then it will find the remainder. If the remainder is not equals to 0, then we're gonna count the value, we're gonna add the value to it and count it again, right, till we are in with the list that we have from that is like 10 different random number. And it's same for the even number, but the remainder needs to be 0 in that case. The remainder, for example, if I divide 80 by 2, then remainder is 0, because it's gonna give me the even value, that's 40, right? If I did 81, then it's gonna give me the remainder 1, it has a remainder 0. And for 81 by 2, I will get the remainder 1, as it's give me the 40 and remainder 1. So it will count again and find the it's gonna do for all the numbers in our list. And for the function to find the sum of all the even numbers in our list, look at here. So it's gonna find all the even numbers in our list, and then we are going to find the sum of all the even numbers in our list. So what we did here is that we will put the value of t is equals to 0, then we will use the same function as for the even number function, and then we will use the total is equals to plus number. So if I get the 8 over here, and then it's gonna add it to my another function, it's gonna add it to my initial the another function which will be even. So, but in that case we are just counting the value, whether we have the 4 even number, or we have the 5 even number, or 6 even number, or 10 even number, and for the odd numbers too, we are just counting the how many even number and how many odd number are there. But in the sum of the in the even numbers addition case, we are finding the total value, so we have to add the given number to the total. So we are using the total plus is equals to number, so it's gonna add 8. If our random number is 8, and it will be added to our the another function. For example, if we get 10, then it's gonna be added together, and we'll get total will be 18 if we only have like 2 even number in our function. And then we are going to find the and finally we are going to find the number of, we just count the randomly. So we are just giving a function so that we can print the list. And so okay, let's do this. Okay, here we go. Now I call the function all of this function in our list, and then we print the value, number of odd numbers, number of even numbers, and sum of even numbers. So let's run this program. Let's what we got. So in our list, -36, -40, -58, 3, -40, 54, and all those random numbers, right? So number of odd numbers here is 4. So why our number of odd numbers is 4 is that because we can see 43, 55, 69 and 3 is a odd number, because it's the remainder of this number will be 1. And for the even number, all of the rest of the numbers, because we out of 10, 4 of them are odd numbers, so 6 must be the even number, right? And so what we got the 6 number, and which is the total function. And as I show you, we used to sum function to add to those number, and we get negative 166 for the sum of the even numbers. Thank you.